You're using ChatGPT wrong, and I don't mean a little wrong. I mean you're driving a Lamborghini in first gear. Over 100 million people use ChatGPT every single day, but most of them are only using 10% of what this tool can actually do. The other 90%? It's just sitting there, completely free, completely ignored. Most people waste 20 minutes rewriting the same prompt over and over, getting garbage results and thinking ChatGPT just isn't that good. But the people who know these 7 hidden features, they're doing the same work in under 5 minutes and making money while they do it. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 completely free ChatGPT features that most people have never even opened. No paid subscription, no technical skills, and by the end, you will never look at ChatGPT the same way again. Most people paste their writing into ChatGPT and ask it to make it better. And ChatGPT rewrites the whole thing, and now you've lost your original voice. Canvas fixes this completely. It's like having a co-writer who only touches what you tell them to. Click the Canvas button when you start a new chat, paste your content, highlight one sentence, and tell ChatGPT exactly what to change. It edits surgically. Nothing else moves. Feature 2, Vision Mode. Most people don't know ChatGPT can see. Click the image icon and upload any photo, a document, a product, a screenshot, and ChatGPT will analyze it and answer your questions about it. You don't have to type long descriptions anymore. Just show it.
ChatGPT, by default, saves every conversation and uses it to train its models. If you're typing anything sensitive, personal, financial info, medical questions, confidential work stuff, you need to know this exists. Go to your sidebar, hit the 3 dots, and toggle on Temporary Chat. When you close it, it's gone. No history, not stored, not used. Most people think ChatGPT just answers questions, but inside, there are hundreds of specialized AI agents connected to tools like Canva, Zapier, and even the web, and they can do tasks for you automatically. You're not getting information, you're getting results. Go to Explore GPTs and try the Canva GPT. You describe a design, it builds it. If you close this video now, you're missing the 3 features that actually make people money. Stay for number 5, number 6, and especially number 7. You've seen incredible ChatGPT outputs online. Perfect sales emails, stunning ad copy, viral hooks. And you've wondered, what prompt did they use? Here's the trick. Paste the output into ChatGPT and ask, what prompt could have generated this? ChatGPT will reverse engineer it for you. Now you have the prompt. Use it, improve it. Feature 6, Projects. If your ChatGPT sidebar looks like a digital junkyard with 50 random conversations, this feature is going to change everything. Create a project, give it a name and a description of who you are and what you're working on, and ChatGPT will remember that context in every single chat inside that project. You stop re-explaining yourself from scratch every time. You start exactly where you left off. Feature number 7, and this one's the game changer, the RIOS formula. Most people type into ChatGPT like they're texting a friend, write me a sales email, and they get a generic, useless result. RIOS fixes this. R is for role. Give ChatGPT an identity. You are a top copywriter. I is for instructions. Tell it exactly what to create. O is for output format. Bullet points, short paragraphs, formal, casual. S is for specifics. Who is the audience? What's the context? What's the goal? One RIOS prompt produces results that would take you 2 hours to write yourself in 15 seconds. 7 features, all free, all available right now in your ChatGPT account. If you got value from this video, hit like. It tells YouTube this is worth showing to more people. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, and comment below.